Hello and welcome. Today we are going to see line option in Sketch. So we'll go here in File, then New, and in Part. We'll take one new window. So this is my SolidWorks user interface. This is the Sketch tab. It is opened, and here you can see all the commands which comes under the Sketch tab. So here is the line option which I am going to show you today. It has three options. In line also there are three options which I'm going to explain you now. So before that we have to first select the plane on which we will draw the line. So I prefer top plane, and I have done the sketch option. I have clicked the sketch option. Now I will select line. In line there are three options, as I have told you earlier. One, it is the simple line. Second one is the center line. Center line will help you while you are doing the 3D modeling. It will help you to construct the sketches which you will then convert it to the 3D. And this is the midpoint line. In midpoint line is it originates from a point, and it has two arms. Both of the arms will be of equal length. So first we will jump to the line option. So in line you can see four options are available as sketched. So if you will select as sketched is already selected. So as sketched means you can draw line anywhere at any angle and of any length. You can change the length of the line here, and also you can change the angle of the line here. So first, to show you, I'll select the line okay. So now I'll click here once. So now I can change the length. Suppose I am going to give it 100. Enter. So it has changed to 100. The length of the this line has changed to 100. Now I want to change this angle. So for changing the angle, just place suppose I have to give it 60. Otherwise, if you want to give it 120, here also, so it will change. So there are many options like this. So infinite length means the length of this line will become infinite. Just to show you, I have checked this infinite, and you can see the line becomes infinite. Now I unchecked. As soon as I uncheck it, it comes back to its original length. For construction means, if you check the construction, for construction it will change into a dotted line, or you can say a centered line. So these types of line help us during sketch making of a 3D object which we want to extrude or trim, not trim, or emboss, extrude, like that in 3D modeling. Okay, so these are all the options, and now I will go to center line. All the same options you can see here in center line, as I have explained earlier. Sorry, I have not explained horizontal, vertical, and angle. Sorry. So horizontal means, if you select the horizontal, and you will select the horizontal and you try to make a line vertical or in any angle, it will not go, because horizontal means the line will be horizontal in nature. See, if I try to move my cursor up, it is not going. Okay. Likewise, if I choose the option vertical, then my cursor will go up only. I can make a vertical line only. If I try to move horizontally or at any other angle, it is not going to help you in making a line. So this is this is the vertical option. Now we are going to see this angle. This angle means you can predefine the angle and length of the uh, what to call line. See, for construction I will remove for construction. Then if I remove the for construction, then my line will be will not be look like a dotted line. Uh, See, I will get a solid line. See, as I have chosen the angle and length already, so I have to just click on the first initial point. The the line will come automatically. So here many other options are also available, like see, if I'll select left click on this line, and now in the left side, in the left side there are many options. uh, Infinite length, if we'll click, it will become infinite length as I have shown you earlier, and I have unchecked it, so it has come back to its original length. And there is for construction. For construction means again it will become a dotted line. And if you will do, see this, all the lines in on the screen is blue. So blue indicates that these lines are not constant, means these are free to move in some ways, or in all ways for some lines. So we have to give a constraint so that it is we have to make it constant. So select it. There are two ways of making a line constant. By clicking this, see, now the line the color of the line has changed to black. So now it means the line is constant. It means it cannot move. And you can click on this symbol, the fix symbol, and you can delete it. Again it will become a free line. It means it can move freely. Now as I have told you, you can give constraint in other ways. In the second way of giving constraint is like this: you draw one line, horizontal line, okay, and sorry, and give it an angle here, so it becomes constraint. So these are all the options available for making a line in SolidWorks. So if there is anything else you would like to know about lines, then please do comment in the comment section, and I will be surely making a video to clear your doubts. So thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.